Okay, we found it. Grand Falls / Chocolate Falls. Chocolate because look at the muddy water. What's the significance of this?
No, just a...
It's taller than Niagara Falls?
It's considered taller than Niagara Falls. I think it was like 10 feet. We lost service, so I don't have the exact numbers.
Okay.
Because Niagara Falls, even though it's tall, there's a lot of rocks on the bottom. And so from where the water is at the top to touches ground at the bottom, this was actually taller.
Gotcha. Yeah, Flagstaff's just right over there. All right. See if we can get close without falling off.
Yeah, this one only runs during spring and heavy monsoons, which we've had. So we're lucky that we got to see it.
It's going to be a better view down there.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Wow.
That is just amazing.
Yeah, Flagstaff, this area here has had a lot of rain over the past few weeks. Monsoon season in Arizona. Wow. Let's go over here and get a little better look. Okay, that's where we just were up there. This is the Little Colorado River. Wow, look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Arizona. Yeah.
Because you can walk all the way down. It's just way down there.
Well, yeah, there are people down there.
Yeah, there's that trail that goes around and goes. Power. Oh my gosh.
Look at all that junk down there. Muddy water. It's like a piece of furniture. Oh, over here.
All the way over there?
Yeah. There's some people down there. There's a trail that goes down there. A little farther over here. Yeah, it's only like 30 miles from Flagstaff, from our campsite, and with this 8.5 paved road till 8.5 miles of dirt road, and the last 4 miles of that 8.5 severe washboard. Could only go like 5-10 mile an hour. Yeah, severe washboard.
Lava cinders from being crushed down. So fine.
Yeah, there's what, three volcanoes here?
There's 3 or 4. 3?
3 or 4, and you can see plops of lava. So when the volcanoes exploded, the lava landed here. And there's that's ash.
Ash? It's too. It's like the.
Yeah, maybe not ash.
It's the
just broken up.
lava broken down.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, it's worth the bumpy road getting here. All right, pretty cool stuff. Should we go eat lunch and then maybe show them
Walnut Canyon?
Walnut Canyon? Yeah.
Try that.
All right, we're gonna go eat some lunch. We'll meet you guys at Walnut Canyon. Okay, guys, we are at Walnut Canyon National Monument, just right on the edge of Flagstaff. Apparently, there's some ruins here. Let's take a look.
From Indians from 800 years ago.
The Sinagua Indians. And in Spanish, Sinagua is without water, because they have the ability to
make a home here.
Yeah, live in extremely dry places.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly,
I gotta show you guys, you know, like we mentioned, the Flagstaff area has gotten so much rain over the past few weeks. Everything is blooming. Look at this. This is the last week of August. Yeah, spectacular. Okay, that was the rim trail. They had half of that blocked off because they're working on it. Now we're on the island trail.
We're walking on the island.
At some point here, we're going to come to some steps, like 273 steps.
Ah, I see one right there. See it?
Oh yeah. Yep. So there's a.
And there's
A
some above
ruin?
it. So this side right here, there's quite a few.
Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to do some of the steps. I want to go down to the next level. All right, so this is giving a good view. Can really see. All right, let's go a little bit more and see if we see anything more. So even though they lived in the cliffs, they did a lot of farming and a lot of their crops up on top. Just from there, you can see that one's really clear. That was a really good view there on that one. And then above it.
So I wonder how they climb down to it, or do they climb up to it?
Well, they have to climb down because they said that it would did crops on the top. They would grow things up there on the top plateau.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's real hot. So it's showing ladders here.
That might go. Maybe over here.
Oh yeah, there's some more way over here too. Yeah, if you can see it way down over in that area, right on the other side of that tree. So the trail, you can see the trail over here.
Well, that's this trail?
Yeah. It goes down, goes all the way over there.
Yeah, okay, so there was a total of like 790 steps. So, yeah, no, my knee is still a little sore. Not gonna stress it out, but that's pretty cool. What we could see was pretty cool. Think?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I've kind of been wondering how the heck they live there.
Aye. Okay, you guys, so we, yeah, we're sitting here in Black Parts and Flagstaff, and this fifth wheel, we haven't seen any action in anybody here really for the past couple days. Got here a couple days ago, and now we got these state troopers. They knocked on the door, nobody's there, or whether nobody's answering. Haven't seen any activity. So we're gonna film them. I'm sure they got body cameras on. Well, I guess I'm not sure, but I think they do. Probably got dash cams. But we'll just see what goes on here.
Right, state police, we just got the door. We just need to talk about what happened. It's easier now if we talk about it versus I get you on the side of the highway.
Like I said, they've been here for, that trailer has been here for a couple days now.
Police, come to the door.
There is a light on inside there, but I have not seen any movement or activity here.
We're videoing too, don't worry.
That's cool. Yeah. I have not seen any activity there since I got there.
What's that?
I have not seen. I think they got here a couple days ago or whatever it was, but I have not seen any activity there. Nobody coming or going or anything.
Okay, so nobody was just sitting right there drinking beer, doing scratchers?
I didn't see.
The beer's still cold and everything, and there's
Oh.
scratchers of the knives. So. You haven't seen him in a little while? Your neighbor, by chance?
I haven't. You know what? I have not seen anybody there. I guess I don't sit there and watch them, but
Sure. Sometimes people just notice.
I guess if there's a cold beer there, they must have been there. No, I have not seen. Like I was telling him,
Sure.
they got here what, a couple days ago, I think. But no, I've not seen any comings or goings at all.
Okay, awesome. I appreciate the help. What about any like vehicle description that towed the trailer? Do you remember anything pickup truck
Oh,
wise?
gosh.
Like color at least?
People come and go here. It might have been a white Dodge Ram.
White.
Yeah, it was a white.
It
Yeah,
was a white truck.
yeah, like a white Dodge Ram, 2500, 3500, something.
Newer one, older one. I know they make a bunch of different style ones.
Well, not new. It's, so several years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. We appreciate it. I'll give you my business card. Will you call me if anybody shows up there?
Yeah.
You can be
Yeah.
completely anonymous.
Yeah,
It's
come
just
on,
gonna be-
come on,
it's just
come
gonna
on.
be you and I, okay?
Come on around. How you doing?
Like I said,
So what's the deal?
we just got to talk to him about something that happened.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't discuss it with you, especially when we're videoing on top of you videoing, and it ends up on YouTube of us talking.
Where's your
about
camera?
it. Right here.
Oh,
This is right
gotcha.
there.
Okay, well that's going to my steps, but all right,
So,
cool.
Like I said, if you call that the cell phone or the mobile number, the 928-405 number, that goes directly to my cell phone. Doesn't go to anybody else. So
Okay.
we won't mention anything about you.
All right.
Sound fair?
Yeah, we'll just give me an indication of why I'm calling you guys. What's the deal?
I gotta talk to him.
Hmm?
I gotta talk to
We
him
can't
about an
discuss
incident.
the matters of the case. He's a grown adult. It's just whatever
I
is.
gotta talk to him about something that happened earlier that
Okay.
I need to have conversation about.
Okay.
Sorry, I know it's not as exciting to hear that, but it's just
Well,
something we
I
need
just
to
want to
discuss.
know that it's a good reason that I'm calling it.
There's a good reason.
Calling you guys.
We're not here to knock on people's door just because they didn't have unpaid parking tickets. We, state police, we have other matters than parking issues and civil shit.
Okay,
So
all right.
this is a case that him and I are working together, and it's.
Yeah,
something we
you know
need
what?
to handle.
I haven't even seen them. I can't even describe what they look like.
Okay.
Yeah.
How
Well,
many?
we should know.
How many you haven't seen anybody there since they dropped it?
No.
Okay. So
No.
we're just trying to figure out how many people we are possibly there. So.
Like we said, it was a white Dodge Ram,
Okay.
and I don't know what year, but that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate
All
your
right.
help. Like I said,
Yeah.
if you see anything,
Hey.
give us a call.
Hey, we're pro good cop.
Perfect.
Appreciate it.
Anything you have, any issues you have, that's my number. Give me a ring, okay?
Okay.
Love you, sweetheart.
Lord, go with her. Anyway, you guys, that was Lisa. Yeah, we've been in the Flagstaff hospital here for 13, 14 hours now. She went in she thought she was having a migraine, and bad migraine. So we went in. They gave her some painkillers and anti-inflammatory stuff. We were there. I think we got there at 7. We left there at 12:30 this morning. Went home, and hour later, headache was back worse than ever, along with pain going to her back. But long story short, they found an aneurysm in her brain this morning. So, and it's in a location where this hospital did not have the resources to do it. So they're flying her to Phoenix, St. Joseph Barrows in Phoenix. Apparently they're really good at it. So it's going to take an hour for her to get there, and it sounds like they'll be prepping her for surgery right away. So prayers for Lisa. I'll be back in touch.